Hey, my name is Sandeep Tekchandani. I'm the founder of Sandeep.mba and welcome to my GMAT video lesson. In this video lesson, we will learn solving equations by factoring. The focus will be on basics and some examples. So let's start by brushing up some basic rules. Some equations can be solved by factoring. To do this, first add or subtract expressions to bring all the expressions to one side of the equation with 0 on the other side. Then try to factor the non-zero side into a product of expressions. If this is possible, then using the property of real numbers, each of the factors can be set equal to 0, yielding several simpler equations that possibly can be solved. The solutions of the simpler equations will be solutions of the factored equations. Let me illustrate this with the help of an example. Consider the equation x cubed minus 2x square plus x plus 5 times x minus 1 the whole square is equals to 0. Please observe that in x cubed minus 2x square plus x is common. Therefore, I'll write x outside the bracket, and inside the bracket, I'll write x square minus 2x plus 1. Let's see how. X times x square is x cubed. X times minus 2x is minus 2x square. X times 1 is x. Plus 5 times x minus 1 the whole square is equals to 0. Please observe that x square minus 2x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1 the whole square. Therefore, in the next step, I'll write x times x minus 1 the whole square plus 5 times x minus 1 the whole square is equals to 0. Please observe that x minus 1 the whole square is common over here. Therefore, I'll write x plus 5 in one bracket, and in the second bracket, I will write x minus 1 the whole square, and our step will be x plus 5 times x minus 1 the whole square is equals to 0. In the next step, we will write x plus 5 is equals to 0 or x minus 1 the whole square is equals to 0. If x plus 5 is equals to 0, then the value of x is equals to minus 5. In x minus 1 the whole square is equals to 0, I will take square root on both the sides, and it will become x minus 1 is equals to 0. If x minus 1 is equals to 0, then the value of x is equals to 1. So x plus 5 is equals to 0 or x minus 1 the whole square is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to minus 5 or x is equals to 1. Let's solve one more example. Consider x times x minus 3 times x square plus 5 divided by x minus 4 is equals to 0. Please note that a fraction equals 0 if and only if the numerator is equals to 0. In our question, the numerator is x times x minus 3 times x square plus 5. The denominator cannot be 0 because division by 0 is not defined. Therefore, I'll write x times x minus 3 times x square plus 5 is equals to 0. In the next step, I'll write x is equals to 0 or x minus 3 is equals to 0 or x square plus 5 is equals to 0. Please focus on this part. X square plus 5 is equals to 0. If I subtract 5 from both the sides, I'll get x square is equals to minus 5. If x square is equals to minus 5, then x is equals to square root of minus 5. The square root of minus 5 is not a real number. Therefore, x square plus 5 is equals to 0 has no real solution because x square plus 5 is greater than 0 for every real number. Therefore, our solutions will be x is equals to 0 or x is equals to 3. Please remember that the solutions of an equation are also called the roots of the equation. These roots can be checked or verified by substituting them into the original equation to determine whether they satisfy the equation. So this is it, my friends. We learned about solving equations by factoring in this video lesson. I hope it was clear and it will help you to crack your mathematics exam. That is all, my friends. If you found my video lesson helpful, then you should go to sandeep.mba for more information on the GMAT, how to prepare for the GMAT and applying to business schools. You should also click on that like button and let me know in the comments which topics you would like me to cover in my future video lessons. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed, then go ahead and click on that bell so that you'll get notified about my future video lessons. All the best.